Akash Inti, the real reflection of you. Earlier this evening, I just fired a few friends. Quote unquote friends. They're not real friends. Fuck them. Over the next few weeks, I will continue this process of firing people from my life. And I don't care how long we've known each other. I don't care how much you thought we were friends or how close you think we are. Doesn't matter to me. And how am I judging this? How am I making this assessment? And why am I coming out so strong about this? Because as I continue to build my life, I refuse, absolutely refuse, to build my life on lies. For the longest time, I had built my life on lies, and I saw what that brought me. I hated my life that way. And that's why I'm deciding to live a life of truth even more so than I did today. And I've already decided it yesterday. That's why I started firing people from my life. You see, my real friends provide me survival and replication value. And I willingly exchange that with them because I see value from them as well. In fact, there's a mutual value exchange. But it's come to my attention that there's many people in my life who don't provide me any value. And it's these people that I'm firing from my life. And I don't give a fuck. I don't care who you are. And I don't like you. Because you never added anything to my life. You are a waste of time in my life. And you're a waste. And why am I coming so strong about this? Why am I being so... someone might be like, oh gosh, why are you being such an asshole right now? Because fuck you, that's why. Look, as I continue to build my businesses, I don't want to put up with fake shit. The fake people in my life, they don't deserve to be around. I do the work. I live my life. I live my philosophy. And there's so many people that I've seen who don't. So those are the people I'm putting on notice. Stay away, because I will hunt you. As I build Inti Syndicates, a digital marketing agency, and as I build Society of the Rising Suns, over the next few weeks, you will have the opportunity to invest in these companies. And more than anything, it'll be an investment in yourself. You see, I could give two shits if you invest in my company or not. I really could. But what I do know is that the work that I do is reflected in those companies. And you'll have the opportunity to get a glimpse as to what am I doing with my life such that every single day in every single way, it's getting better and better. My real friends will support me in my businesses. And I understand that this is a time where finances may be tight for some individuals. Yet at the same time, we always prioritize our finances and our energy on those we deem important. And so, if you deem me important in your life, I expect to see that in some way, shape, or form reflected in these companies. And if at the very least, there's no way that you can do this, I'd like to see an effort from you reaching out to me, saying that, look, this is my situation right now. I can't do this, but I will be sure to share your information and content with others. And one day when you do have the opportunity to compensate me for this journey that I decide to take and share with you, I expect to see that. Because recognize that I've decided to surround myself with some of the realest individuals of this world, some of the most powerful men and beautiful women. And by being a part of my tribe and by being associated with me, I raise and elevate your status quite a bit. But it's very likely that if you are a fake friend, you don't add shit to my life. So stay the fuck away. Keep your opinions to yourself. and enjoy your miserable life. Judge me. Fuck you.